Ever wondered how some people can remember names, facts, or even random details for years? It's not magic, it's technique. Today, I'm going to share some unique tips that can help you remember anything for a long time. These are not your usual study tips, so stick around for some cool brain hacks. Number 1 tip is use gestures and movements. Here a unique one. Move while you learn. Studies show and adding physical movements to what you are trying to remember helps you retain it better. So if you are memorizing a speech or key facts, use gestures or walk around while saying them out loud. Movement helps anchor the information in your brain. Tip number 2, use smells as memory anchors. This might sound odd, but your sense of smell is directly linked to memory. To remember sometimes long term, try using a specific scent like lighting a certain candles or wearing a particular perfume while you're studying. Later, when you encounter that scent again, it'll trigger memories of what you learned. Tip number 3 is meditate before learning. A clear mind learns better. Taking a few minutes to meditate before you start studying or memorizing can help sharpen your focus. It calms your mind and prepares it to absorb and store information. Plus, it helps you relax, which is crucial for memory retention. Tip number 4 is micro-learning. Instead of long study sessions, try micro-learning. Break down the information into tiny chunks and review each one in short bursts throughout the day. This method works because it's easier for your brain to handle small pieces of information, and repetition over time locks it in for the long term. And tip number 5 and the last tip is record yourself and listen back. Here's a simple but unique tip. Record yourself explaining what you want to learn and what you want to remember and listen it to later. Hearing your own voice explaining the information reinforces it in your memory. Plus, you will catch any gaps in your understanding and improve how you explain things. So there you have it, 5 unique tips to help you remember anything for a long time. Try one or even all of these and see how much better you remember things. So thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, give a video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next one.